For good reason, we refer to them as adult relationships. These are relationships entered into when we have grown up and are committed to the principles of a mature existence. What is most puzzling, in the finest of couples, are the interests and moods that are a clear reflection of their early childhood behavior. It is usual to call the partner baby. We might also speak in younger voices, and in a higher register. They might present us with a furry toy bear, and we might reciprocate with a cuddly soft giraffe. The two animals might play games with each other and hug each other when one needs consoling. It can appear to be stupid and degenerating, if we think about it rationally. This simply indicates the extent to which adult love necessarily sits on a base created in childhood. Therefore it should, when all is going well, share certain characteristics with the better moments of our pasts. It is no harm in using diminutives with our loved ones. It is proof that we have found our way back to the defenselessness, vulnerability, and the need that we once were so good in expressing. To be able to entertain this with refreshing innocence, and that we must reconnect with it in order to have a chance to love, even if we are, in the rest of our lives, serious and mature defense lawyers, senior surgeons, or accomplished entrepreneurs. To those who appear too eager to dismiss sentimental child-based play as babyish, we might ask why the juvenile part of them should be disowned so vehemently. We might explore how hard it is for them to be witnessed as fragile, and therefore, perhaps, to be gentle around the fragility of others. True maturity doesn't ultimately mean quashing all evidence of weakness or immaturity. It means according the younger part of us its due within the totality of our capacities. It calls for an ability to mother or father the younger self of the partner, and to allow them to do likewise to us. Perhaps, we may have to wait until we are real adults, before we can relearn how to play and love with some of the authenticity and uncensored frankness of our childlike 3-year-old selves.